think my health goal is basically to lose weight at the very beginning. But then I realized I didn't want to just lose weight because that comes back. I wanted to change my lifestyle. So I started learning about health and food and fitness and what I could incorporate into my life to make those changes. I work at a pharmacy, and I see people coming in all the time buying or getting prescriptions, like 10 to 15 prescriptions, and then buying cases and cases of pop, chips, candy. I realized how important food is and how it really affects your health and your body and your mind. I heard someone say, I don't know if it was on Facebook or something I was reading or what, but they told me said to add 1 protein shake into your day every day and make that one little change. So I'd say I would do that. Make one little change in your life every day and then just keep building on those changes day by day. I really love the Organifi products. The first one I tried was chocolate one, and then that one was really good. And then I tried the vanilla, and I absolutely love the vanilla one. So it helps sustain me, and it doesn't. I'm not hungry, and I don't have junk food cravings. For work, for convenience, so mostly I use them in protein shakes, but I've also made desserts out of them, like protein balls, some freezer protein snacks, which actually are really good. Little munchies here and there. So I've lost 52 pounds, and it's been fluctuating between 50 and 52, so a little bit up and down. So that would be the biggest one that you could see. But more importantly, I think my biggest change is my mind. And I'm more awake. I feel like I'm more awake. I'm not sleeping through every day and asleep to the world. I could say I have less headaches. I've dealt with a lot of depression in my life, and I think that's a lot from the foods I was eating too. So that's definitely changed. I'm a happy person all the time, but I have gone through stages of being depressed. And that's non-existent now. Skin-wise, clearer skin, healthier hair, nails, all that stuff and more. Now I feel really great. No mood swings. Well, I shouldn't say none, because everybody has emotions and stuff. But I feel, like I said before, I feel more awake and alive, more present in my life than I have in a long, long time. I think I've always loved people and helping people, and through this journey and this adventure, I've been able to connect with people and share my story and changes that I'm making in my life to help them change their lives. That's been an inspiration to me. I'm more clear-headed too, so I can relate to people more. I can empathize with people more. I can share with people more. I'm more confident now, so I'm not hiding in myself. The biggest surprise is people that haven't seen me in a long time, and they was like, Melissa, is that you? I was like, yeah, what have you done? So they're really shocked. And a lot of people I work with, they're really proud of the changes that I've made in my life. They've really noticed a big difference. You always hear people say, if I can do this, you can do this. And I was always like, whatever, they have something that I don't have. But that's not the case, because if I can do this, you can do this. I want to share the story with everybody, because I know there's possibility in every single person. And they can make changes, even if you have to do it small and a little bit at a time. I just want to say thank you, Organifi, for your love, your support, and your teachings along the way. It's been a good positive in my life.